November 021, you said you had the F-35 in sight.
November 89021, I do in fact have the F-35 in sight.
November 021, maintain visual separation with the F-35, resume appropriate VFR altitudes.
Will, 89021, will do.
Alright, Salt Lake, Kansas 93 is with you, level 110,000.
Kansas 93, Salt Lake approach. Hill Air Force Base Foxtrot is current, and say intentions.
We have Foxtrot looking for the ILS, 14 left, full stop.
Kansas 93, heavy, roger, and you want vectors of the ILS final approach course?
Affirmative.
Yeah, sorry.
Kansas 93, fighting 040, vectors ILS, runway 14 approach, heavy.
Alright, 040, vectors for the ILS, Kansas 93, thanks.
November 89021, contact approach 120.9er, good day.
November 89021, contact 120.9er. Salt Lake approach, 89021's with you.
This is 89021, Salt Lake approach, good afternoon.